Excuse me, please.
Yes. How can I help?
I need a ticket.
Where are you going?
I am going to Paris.
One way or return?
One way, please.
Which date do you need?
Today, if possible.
Yes, we have seats.
Great. Thank you.
Window or aisle seat?
Window seat, please.
That is $40.
Can I pay card?
Yes, card is fine.
Here is my card.
Thank you. One moment.
Of course, take time.
Here is your ticket.
Thank you so much.
Your train is at 2.
Which platform is it?
It is platform 5.
Thank you very much. Excuse me, please.
Yes, what do you need?
When is next train?
Next train is at 2.
Is it direct train?
Yes, it is direct.
How long does it take?
About 2 hours.
Does it stop anywhere?
Yes, one stop only.
Where does it stop?
It stops at Lyon.
How long is stop?
Just 5 minutes stop.
Is train on time?
Yes, it is on time.
Great, thank you.
Do you have ticket?
Yes, I have it.
Show it at platform.
Okay, I will do.
Do not be late.
What time to go?
Go now to platform.
Thank you very much. Excuse me, please.
Yes, how can I help?
Where is platform 5?
Platform 5 is here.
Is this the right way?
Yes, go straight ahead.
How far is it?
Just 2 minutes walk.
Is train already there?
Yes, it is there.
What time does it leave?
It leaves at 2.
How much time do I have?
You have 10 minutes.
Do I need to hurry?
Yes, please hurry now.
Which car am I in?
Let me see ticket.
Here it is.
You are in car 3.
Where is car 3?
It is in the middle.
Thank you so much.
Hurry, do not miss it.
I am going now.
Tickets, please.
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. One moment.
Of course, take time.
This is seat 14A.
Yes, that is mine.
Everything looks good.
Thank you very much.
Where are you going?
I am going to Paris.
We arrive at 4.
Is train on time?
Yes, on time today.
Great. Thank you.
Do you need anything?
Is there food here?
Yes, in dining car.
Where is dining car?
It is car number 5.
Thank you so much.
Do you need blanket?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Here you go, sir.
You are very kind.
Enjoy your journey.
What is wrong?
I missed my train.
Oh, when did it leave?
It left at 2.
Let me check now.
Please help me.
Do not worry, please.
Is there next train?
Yes, at 5 o'clock.
Can I take it?
Yes, I will change ticket.
Thank you so much.
Can I see ticket?
Yes, here it is.
Is same destination?
Yes, still going Paris.
I found you seat.
Really? Thank you.
New platform is 3.
Where is platform 3?
Go left from here.
Thank you very much.
Do not miss it.
I will not. Thanks.